Hello, Colt teachers and staff. I just want to talk to you a little bit about our June 20th moving up assembly taking place during sixth period on Thursday. So I'm going to read a little bit. So our goal is for all the ninth graders to sit together on the north side of the gym. In this display, it's sections A and B, but we'll, all the north side. And then if you're a mixed class, make every effort to put all your ninth graders on the north side. We want you all to walk with your students, fill up the bleachers from the top down on the lower section, and then on the upper section, fill in all the seats from the bottom up, and make sure you fill in all empty seats. Please help by making sure your class is together, they're filling in all their empty seats. And we need you to remain with your class in the bleachers, super important. When the assembly is over, we are going to signal for all the ninth grade teachers only, ninth grade staff, to make their way down towards the north side doors, and they're going to form a little gauntlet line. A couple of them, few teachers will be right inside the gym near the northwest door, and the others will make the gauntlet line, the little tunnel outside of the gym doors leading towards the bus pickup. And then at that point, then we're going to release in sections our ninth graders to walk down and walk through the gauntlet line to the buses. And, the teachers are going to high five the ninth graders and make a big deal out of the fact that when they walk through those doors, they are no longer ninth grade Cavaleros students, but they are now 10th grade Lake Stevens High School Vikings. And it's just symbolic. So really important also that the eighth grade teachers and the students remain in their eighth grade section this entire time until all the ninth graders are out. And then at that time, I will have all eighth grade teachers and the students stand up and then move up to the ninth grade section on the north side of the gym. They'll sit down. We'll make a big deal about the fact that they're now ninth grade student leaders, that they're the leaders of the building, that what they do, that they're just leaders. Doesn't matter. All right, and then we will release those students by sections to leave to go to the bus pickup or to the front of the building. Hopefully that helps. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I'll try to clarify if I can. But we did this last year, but we do want to clean it up a little bit because I thought it was a little disorganized last year. That's it. Look forward to a great assembly, and go Colts.